They approached me when I was in college, and I wasn't really comfortable with the idea. And then 3 years later, I kind of warmed up to it, and I decided, maybe we can try to film something. And it started out being a web series, and then once the insanity happened in New York, it turned into a documentary. I probably should you know, stay on the basketball court, but I think in this situation, just having a documentary, being able to film, I don't think I really had to act. I think I just had to do stuff, and there was a camera filming what I was doing, so it was a little easier. I would say it's my life story. It talks a lot about, going through a rough time and being able to, by the grace of God, be able to have a really cool, unique situation, and something that, hasn't really happened that often in sports. And I think it's just a tale of a story of, starts with my parents coming from, Asia to America, and what it was like for me to grow up all the way through, now being 25 years old. It's been quite the journey. It's been crazy. But I think through it all, I've had a lot of fun, and I'm able to play basketball in the NBA for a living every single night. And I think that's really a blessing.